It was a cold Thursday night in East London. Josh sat on the edge of a cheap futon in a flat smaller than a parking space. His bank account negative, his job gone, and his future. Honestly, he didn't know if he had one. But then, as he mindlessly scrolled through YouTube, half bored, half broken, something caught his eye. A video titled, "How I Made My First $10,000 Online." Josh almost swiped past, but for some reason, he clicked. The guy wasn't selling a dream. He was explaining high-ticket affiliate marketing, promoting premium courses, software, and tools online, and earning $500 to $1,000 per sale. No products, no warehouses, no customer service headaches. Josh sat up, and for the first time in months, he felt a spark. The next morning, with £50 he scraped together, he bought a beginner's affiliate course and a domain name. For weeks, his flat looked like a war zone. Sticky notes on the walls, coffee cups everywhere, and Josh, obsessed with learning copywriting, sales funnels, and how to run ads that actually work. First campaign, 0 sales. Second, nothing. Third, worse. But the fourth, $750 commission. Josh stared at his phone. This wasn't a scam. This was real. Fast forward 6 months later. Josh wasn't just making sales. He was making moves. From $750 a month, to $3,000 a month, to $7,500 a month, and finally, $10,000 in a single month. All from his tiny London flat, wearing pajama bottoms, on a laptop that froze every 20 minutes. His mates started asking, "Bruv, you doing fraud or what?" Josh laughed. "Nah, I learned how to sell online, the right way." Josh isn't a guru. He's not a crypto king or some hype man. He's a regular guy who backed himself when nobody else would. He proved you don't need connections. You don't need a massive budget. You don't even need perfect timing. You just need the courage to start, and the guts to keep going. And every time Stripe pings his account, he remembers the night it all changed. When a broke man with a cracked iPhone finally bet on himself. So, what's stopping you? You're one smart decision away from a completely different life. If you're ready to stop watching and start winning, hit subscribe. Your story starts now.